So a lot of these tech stocks are trading off. What happened with Alphabet?
So it's actually the same story as you were just talking about with Susan with Amazon. So you did have a very clear beat as far as earnings go. I'll just give you the figures. So you had earnings of $13.06 per share. And of course, Wall Street was looking for $10.42. So you have a very clear beat as far as the earnings go. The problem, though, is with revenue. So consensus estimates were for sales at $34.04 billion, $33.74 billion is what Alphabet Google posted. I just want to make a side note that those sales numbers do include traffic acquisition costs. And of course, that is the money that Google pays to Apple and others to be the default search engine. So trying to go through some of these numbers here and figure if they were just not generating as much business in that way. Also, I'm just waiting for this cloud figure. You know, Google doesn't always break it down, but Credit Suisse is saying cloud should generate about $1.84 billion in third quarter revenue. So I'm not sure if that has been a shortfall, but we do know the larger story that Google's cloud business still does lag Amazon Web Services and Microsoft's Azure. So I'll get back to you when I have those figures.
All right.
But, you know, sum total, beat on earnings, disappoint on sales.
Yeah, and stock trades down.